While we're waiting for the plane, we're just going to have a look around CC Powell's. They've got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we can see already self-propelled harvesters here getting serviced. Last year we came in the shop, but the lights were off because it was a Sunday and most of the stock was at the show anyway. It's all back now. So we'll have a look round. We've got obviously the poultry section, the Grimmy overall section. Oh no way, you can get a fence slide. No, you could do that. Huge collection of toys. James has got far too many, so doesn't need any more. This is all just come out of the van, ready to go back onto the display. Sheep game merch, grassmen merch, Pottinger, grassmen boiler suits, cuddly toys. Hogs, Ridgeline shorts, Harkeela, I think it's pronounced. More clothes, more toys, belts, smaller toys, Barra. That's cool, that slide, isn't it? Tractor consumables, cleaning stuff, models. Oh, look at that. That's what we used to have, green N series, but that's a G. Blue roll, always handy. This is a stores. I think we looked last year, but it's fuller now. But there's £1 million worth of Grimmy bits here. And then there's a box ready to go out to someone for service. All sorts of different parts. All the different rollers. Webs, bits of Shure. Dolman rollers. Another box to go out for someone's machine for service. And then over here we've got the workshop with a couple of machines in getting work done. It's like a Swiss watch, isn't it? That roller deck. Track steering at the back. Mercedes engines. All the hydraulic pumps. It's a fair tool, that. And this is a small one. They've all got the Ferguson system on the front, though, haven't they? The 3-point linkage. It must be the brew room standard now, mustn't it, to have a Grey Cowden's kitchen? This is the new brew room. And look at that for a table made out of 3 worktops. That's what we need, so we've got more room. I think last year we were here with the building this, and it was going to be, well, the brew room was in here, but now it's got all the precision engineering stuff in. That's a lathe and a half, isn't it? It's got a bed that takes out in the middle there, so you can spin big flywheels and clutches. It's tidy though, isn't it? All white walls. That's a loud helicopter. This was the potato harvest that you've converted for carrots. So last year, I think the share was to the side, but it's now improved. You've cut the share completely. So it used to be this from there to over there, whereas now it's got the narrow bit for the carrot bed going up the middle, and then this wheel. You've only moved one side, just this side.
We'll move one side, yeah.
So that's been chopped shorter. So that wheel then sits in and runs down the bed, and it doesn't matter at the back because you've dug it by that point. So you see how that's like, don't know, that long, what, 2 foot? Well, now it's only 18 inches, so it all fits right. And it's just bed straight up the middle of the cab. Huge class tracks. It's obviously getting some new webs fitted or serviced because it's got no webs on it at the moment. That one's got no webs on either. That's still a potato harvester. There's another one here. Everywhere. What's a spray with no tank? It's mad, isn't it? Oh, there's the tank. Spanner there. Someone's lost a spanner. Some bits there. Ooh, look at that hopper there. That'd be alright for moving wood chip into a grader. That looks like it's rolled over, this sprayer. Tank's dented. Booms. They don't look bent either. That's another sprayer chassis. Like a Meccano sprayer.
Yeah, I know that word.
Story with this is it was an accident damaged one that they were going to do up, but in fact they've just been using it for parts. The Great Plains of Scotland. Just on our way back to the airport now. A lot better flying back today. It was obviously that windy yesterday. The flight was cancelled, which we did know it was going to be. Highest wind speeds ever recorded in August, according to the news. And trees down everywhere, so looks a lot nicer today. No rain either. We'll get back to Manchester. James is walking across the mosaic yard. Crazy paving, new design. We're just going to check the dryer, see what it's up to. See if we can empty it now or later on. Oh, and someone's been today. They've changed the shavings round that we're drying. And this wheat should be dry, we think, in the morning. So this was cut on Saturday, so they did all right on Saturday. They cut 125 acres, all before 8 o'clock. So there's wheat everywhere, but some of it was a bit damp, so we've just been drying that slowly over the last 3 days. It was drizzling here this morning, so not a lot's been done, but oh, actually, yeah, I'm back at home. Andrew has been turning some straw, and Rob's also done quite a bit of baling for Bill this afternoon. So he's slowly catching up with Bill's baling. Get that done. I've just had a meeting then with an accountancy guy because we're looking at a new accountant. So I've been chatting to them about that and they seem to be on it. Neighbour's just gone past with a bale trailer. Saw him come past as well before with his baler. So he's obviously got some bale as well today. John's done a bit more chipping. But yeah, back to normal tomorrow. Right, I'm going to do the birthdays quickly. So it's Danny Derbyshire. It wasn't Chris's birthday yesterday. It was actually Danny's. Sorry about that. I think I read it wrong. But we could blame Chris for writing it on wrong, maybe. Don't know. Ken Gibbs is 82. And Colin McRae would have been 57 today. So happy birthday, everyone on there and anyone else whose birthday is. And we're just a little bit over that as well at the moment. So well over 101,000. Thank you, everyone. Dryer needs a little bit longer. So I'll go and sort that out later on or turn it off my phone. Yeah, that is probably all for today, but thank you to Tourist Show for inviting me up there, and even though it was cancelled, showing us around some other farms and different things. It was really, really interesting and really eye-opening at the scale of farms up in that area. You know, it's phenomenal, really, because they don't have any hedges, so we can have big fields. Hello, James. Boo. Yeah, but that's all for today. Normal farming will resume tomorrow. So if you made this far, click like. Thank you for watching, because I know you don't like shows, but yeah, see you all tomorrow.